Hello, this is your cameraman Daniel Drupsky again for this another video for February 2nd, 2023. And right now we're going to get like a little behind the scenes of what they're doing. Let's hope they're not going to actually destroy the friggin' trees, because I love the friggin' trees. See what they're doing? Yep. Right now it's about like 2:17 in the afternoon. Yep. Probably they're fixing up everything. I didn't expect them, but this is just a little long while. See this? They're opening. Yep. I know they took out the other bulldozer already. This is like a little mini one. Yep. It's still about 39, 40 degrees out there. Specifically 38. Yep. Truck is around on the other side of the wall. We've been doing this for the past 4 weeks since January 2nd. 4 weeks is a long time once you get used to these things. Yep. I think they're fixing up the dirt part to make everything smoothly. In the old days, before they built that, on the previous videos, we can see for what they were doing before they start to commit like building it. Gotta see what they're doing. Yep. He's just doing it on live here in Pottsville, Pennsylvania, on Laurel Boulevard. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the surprise video that I have for you today. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes of it, like a little construction for February 2nd, 2023. I'll see you again next time. I give you some updates about it, and please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other previous construction videos that I've been doing for the past 4 weeks. Until then, your cameraman Daniel Drupsky signing off, and I'll see you later. Later, folks.